What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. As promised in the last video, today I'm going to show you what wheels I got, but first we got to paint these brakes. And you're probably wondering why I don't just get brand new ones. I'm going to show you why. So right here I have the disc conversion for the rear with the Integra trailing arms and EX spindles in case I want to do the Mini Cooper upgrade. I'm still back and forth on the Mini Cooper upgrade. I might just do a actual big brake kit. All this is at a later time, not anytime soon. So before we do all that, since I have the new wheels going on, I want to paint the brakes just to cover all the rust. As you can see, they don't really look good, and if I put the new wheels on, you're going to be able to see all this rust, and it's going to throw off the whole vibe of the car. I got the coils taped off. I left the trailing arm exposed because I'm probably going to hit that as well. I'm going to use a satin black. So just to keep everything somewhat hidden, you can't really see much. That's why I went with the black. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we're going to use VHT's caliper paint, satin black. This is going to be coat number 1. Alright, so the first coat came out pretty good. Let's go ahead and do the second coat now. So far, everything's looking good. Everything's nice and uniform and black. That was 2 coats. We're going to go ahead and do our third and final coat right now. Wow, that looks so much better than before. What do you guys think? I'm pretty happy with that. Let's go ahead and do the fronts now. Alright, the front I got taped up, ready to go. Make sure there's no overspray on the car. I left a few things exposed because I want to get them painted. The knuckle I'm going to paint. The heat shield I'm going to paint. And the rotor, I have new ones coming in, so I don't really care about this one. And I have new pads coming in. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so front end is all finished up. Caliper is painted, new rotor and pads are on. I did paint the rotor before I put it on. I did the center and the very edge just to hide any rust that could form in the future. I did the splash shield or heat shield, whatever you want to call this. Also the spindle. While I was at it, I cleaned up the threads on the studs. They weren't really dirty, but they had a few rock chips and I guess just dust or whatever in there, but looks much better. I love how it came out. So let's go ahead and get these new wheels on and I'll show you guys what I got. All right, guys, here they are. These are the Rota Auto X's, also known as the SSR Type X reps. These are a 16x7 plus 40 offset. I have a 7mm spacer in the back just to push it out a little bit. Tires are 215, 45, 16. I think it's a perfect size for the 16s on the EG chassis. Not too fat, not too skinny. Pause. I'm glad I did the brakes because you can clearly see everything behind the wheels. So if I didn't do that, you would have been able to see all that rust back there. So I think it worked out pretty good. I'm glad I did that. Here's the drum. Imagine if that was all rusty, how bad that would look. But yeah, I love how these came out. Believe it or not, the Rotas are harder to find than the real SSRs. So I found these on Facebook Marketplace for a stupid deal. Probably drove like 2 hours there, 2 hours back. Everything worked out good. There was a crack in one of them. Got my buddy to weld it and powder coat these. Shout out AJ Vibrant Finish. Yeah, he also does tires. Let me know what you guys think. I personally love them. I think it's a love or hate thing with these 4-spoke wheels. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Subscribe, like, share. But yeah, until next time, peace.